Hello students, now our next topic is mean deviation in case of continuous series. We are given with the series 100 to 120, 120 to 140 and so on up to 200. The frequency value is 4, 6, 10, 8, 5. The total of frequency is 33. We have to calculate the mid value 100 plus 120 over 2 and so on, the 110, 130, 150. We will calculate the mid values. Now students, we have to calculate the mean deviation from mean and median. In this question we will calculate CF also. In case of mean deviation from mean, we want x bar first, the mean value first. We will calculate the mean value with the direct method. 4 into 110, multiply mid value as we do earlier in the case of calculation of arithmetic mean. In case of continuous series, multiplication of mid value with the frequency values. We will calculate the FM, summation FM. 4 into 110, 6 into 130, 10 into 150, 8 into 170, 5 into 190. Make a sum of this. Apply the formula of calculation of mean. Summation FM over summation F equals to 4.4245 over 33 equals to 128.63. Now students, we want mean value, median value also. Okay, now we will calculate the median value. The n over 2 value is 16.5. Look in the CF. The 16.5 will lie in this 20. 140 to 160, lower limit is 140, 160, 16.5 is the n over 2. The CF becomes above 20 is 10 and the frequency is also 10 into 20. The value of median will be 153. Now students, we will calculate mean deviation. We want x minus x bar first. Mean deviation from mean. The mean value is 128.63 minus the x mid values from 128.63 and multiply with frequency values and make a sum. Again next, x minus m. If we want mean deviation from median, the median value is 153 minus it from mid values and multiply with frequency. Okay, then make a sum and now apply the formula. Summation f x minus x bar 934.25 over 33 to 28.31 and mean deviation from median 661 is the total over there and divided by 33, it is mean deviation from median. And students, calculate the coefficients of this mean deviation values as the formula earlier we had calculate earlier. And the next step is, if we want the mean deviation from mode in the case of continuous series. Look, there is another question. Frequency values are given, mid values we will calculate. You already know how to calculate mid values. Then students, we will see the mode value first. The maximum frequency is 27, so mode will lie in 59 to 62 values. 59 is the lower limit becomes, and distance 1, 27 minus 4 is equals to 3. 27 minus 4, 3. Next is 14. 27 minus 13 into the I is the gap, class interval is 3, so the mode value is 59.33. Students, calculate x minus z. Okay, mid values minus z values, both ignore the negative signs. Multiply it with frequency values, make a summation Apply the formula. This divided by n is 76, the total of frequency. The mode value becomes 2.61 and calculate the coefficient also. If any query, post in the group or in the Google Classroom. Do these questions regularly. Thank you so much.